Hello, today I'm going to be showing you or explaining to you what the goal requirements are for students at IMA. First and foremost, goals should be very, very specific. So they shouldn't just tell us what the subject is going to be or what the topic is going to be. We want to go further in depth. As you can see over here in this presentation, we have three main bullet points. I'm sorry, five. The first one says goals should say what they will be uploading. So, in other words, what type of assignment are they going to upload? Are they going to upload a Google slide, essay, Canva project, a Google presentation, that sort of thing? We want to know the method of the homework assignment. And then the goal should equal to 1 hour per subject. And that means that if they have 5 classes, they will need to complete 5 hours worth of homework. 1 hour of work could potentially vary from student to student. If you have a student that thinks 1 hour is unattainable, please see Carmen, myself, or Mrs. Levin, and we can negotiate a goal with the student. We also want to make sure that the goal is quantifiable, has a number. So if they're going to do a Google presentation or Google slide project, we want to know how many Google slides are they going to put in their essay, or how many will they be completing that day. And then we also want to make sure that the students are picking a new topic each day. There is an exception though. Let's say they are building on the previous day's work, like it's an essay on dinosaur extinction. They might want to break that up, and that's fine. But just remember that the multi day subjects should be very clear that something new will be turned in. It can be about the same topic, but they have to turn in something still for that assignment each day. And then last but not least, the topic should be academic and challenging. Example, an essay on cars, that's too vague. So we want to make sure we make it a little bit more specific and maybe turn it into the evolution of cars. It does make it a little bit more exciting for them while also keeping it challenging. So on Trello board, again, the goals are going to go right over here. And I have an example goal on this checklist. So for English, let's say they're doing a 5 paragraph essay on the French Revolution, and they're only going to be working on the first paragraph. We might want to tweak the topic a little bit because this topic is too general. So we might want to say, like, what were the impacts of the French Revolution on maybe a specific group of people. That's just an example, but here it tells us the subject, it tells us the topic, it tells us how much they are going to be doing. And 5 paragraph essay does reflect on the challenge level of the assignment. Um, Making a 5 paragraph essay when you're a teenager is pretty difficult. So that would be considered challenging. And that is it for these goal requirements. Please let us know if you have any questions about any of the requirements discussed.